Hello everyone, this is Sharon here from 24/7 Techie, and we have the Moto Z in our hand. And first of all, it is very slim. So yep, it is very slim. It does not have a 3.5mm headphone jack. So at the right we can see the button configuration, and at the top we have absolutely nothing, just a SIM card tray. This side also nothing. At the bottom a USB Type-C port, and at the front we have a 5.5-inch Quad HD screen and a camera, a selfie flash. So let's get into the phone, and as we can see it is stock Android. I'll zoom in into the phone a little bit. So as we can see clearly it's a stock Android phone. About phones, Android Marshmallow, as expected from Motorola, sorry. And Moto mods are here. So we do have a lot of Moto mods. I will be having dedicated videos of Moto mods, so do check out our channel. And 3 GB of RAM, no, actually 4 GB of RAM, so really sorry, 4 GB of RAM. And battery life could be a little bit of a question mark, because we only have a 2600 something mAh battery on this phone, where we have a 5.5-inch Quad HD screen. So battery life could be a question mark, but we'll have to see of this phone. But the phone is priced very expensive, 40,000 rupees. Expensive for me, but overall the expected price was over 40k, so they've actually priced it pretty decently. I'm trying to find storage. So I'm not able to find storage. Yep, storage, and it's 64 GB of internal storage, out of which about 54 GB you'll get out of the box. That is pretty decent. So yep, the phone looks good. It definitely looks good. It feels very good in hand. It is very slim. We have the Pogo pins over here. These are 16 pins for 16 pin connector, and this is the whole thing that they are charging you for. So they have implemented it so nicely that there are a lot of Moto mods that will connect to this. And we have a camera over here that is pretty decent according to a lot of tech reviewers around the world, because India is sort of in India it's coming very late. So for the first of all, for the front camera, it looks good. Definitely it looks good. And we also have a selfie flash. Yep. And I think the photo has turned out to be pretty decent. Yep. And back camera as well. I'll take a couple of photographs and then come back. So yes, we have taken some camera photos over here, and what we have over here is a very good photo quality. Very good. So this is the photo. We are zooming in. It's all artificial lighting, and this is actually the shell that will come inside the box. I guess this one will come, and it will mention more on Amazon and Flipkart. It will be available from 17th of October. This is the phone, and this is world's thinnest flagship phone. And the other thing is that this is also leather back cover, so there are a lot of back covers that can be applied very easily. So looking amazing, very nicely done, definitely very nice work done. And it looks good. It is definitely a very strong phone, a Snapdragon 820 inside the box, 4 GB RAM, Quad HD screen. But the whole things come, if you would really like to be buying this for 40,000 rupees, or you can get an S7 or any other flagship for around that pricing right now. So Motorola has a tendency of launching their phones around this time, October season, where the phones have already, where a lot of people have already bought the flagships. So it could be a little bit difficult for them to sell, but I can definitely say it's a great phone. It's a good phone. Might be timed a little bit wrong or a little bit early, as early for the Moto mods to come in, a little bit overpriced, but it is a great concept, and really interested to see what will come out. There is background music playing with the JBL sound bars. We'll definitely try that out as well. Thank you very much, guys.